5 IELTS speaking tips. Let's go. Number 1, pay attention to grammar. The speaking questions contain different grammar tenses in the question, so listen carefully and try to use it in your answer. Number 2, vocabulary is important. In speaking, make sure you have a selection of words that you can actually use in your speaking, not just understand. Number 3, give long enough answers. Part 1, 2 to 3 sentences. Part 2, the full 2 minutes. Part 3, around about a minute per answer. Tip 4, it's okay to ask the examiner to repeat the question. Also, if you don't know a word, you can ask the examiner. Just don't ask them the whole meaning of a question. Tip 5, and this is really important, your attitude makes a difference. Hold yourself high, good posture, and be friendly. This can give you better intonation and more confidence in the exam. 5 writing tips, and stick around for tip 4 because it's my favorite. Tip 1, make sure your essay is balanced. You don't want a huge body paragraph and a tiny body paragraph. They should be similar in length. Tip 2, memorize signposting language. This is the language that tells the reader what you're going to say next. Tip 3, work on the planning stage. This is vital. I say you have about 5 minutes to plan your essay, and if you do it well, it will make a huge difference to your score. Number 4, and this is my favorite, quote a news agency. I always say, it was recently reported in The Guardian that, and then I give a fact, or normally some fake fact, that supports my topic sentence. Finally, proofread your essay. This is so important, I have to do it as well. Go through your essay, check for mistakes, give yourself about 2 or 3 minutes at the end. 5 quick reading tips. Okay, number 1, get used to reading. The more you read, the easier it is to get information from reading. Number 2, widen your reading material. Try to read some articles from the BBC or The Economist. This is the kind of reading that you're going to get in the IELTS exam. Number 3, vocabulary is key. You have to find a way to learn and store your vocabulary. Here at IELTS Plus, I have a vocabulary bank, and that system is what we use in order to log the vocabulary that we learn. 4, start practicing the reading questions slowly at first. Take your time and get used to the different patterns and the different types of questions you can receive. Number 5, pay attention to the details. Look for features such as capital letters, italics. These are probably the important parts that will come out in your answers. 5 quick tips for IELTS listening. Number 1, listen to a variety of accents. You're probably going to come across Australian, American, and British English, so be ready. Number 2, when you practice, try listening to the audio on a faster speed. That way, when you take the test, it will seem slower and easier to understand. Number 3, answers appear in the order that you hear them in the audio. Just keep that in mind, and they can come very fast or with large gaps in between. Number 4, when you're listening to the test, listen for word indicators. Words like however, such as, for example. These indicate the type of information that we can anticipate from the speaker. Finally, double check your answers because it's so easy to make mistakes with the plural, spelling, units of measure. Make sure you double check and don't make any silly mistakes.